Hindustan Aeronautics has conducted the first flight of its CATS Warrior unmanned combat aerial vehicle. The Ministry of Defence has signed a 1,207 crore rupees contract with Cochin Shipyard for short refit and dry docking of INS Vikramaditya aircraft carrier. Donald Trump has issued a stark warning to BRICS nations, threatening to impose 100% tariffs if they pursue plans to replace the US dollar. A Bangladeshi professor has advocated for Bangladesh to procure JF-17 fighter jets from Pakistan, and even called Bangladesh to provide support to insurgents in India's northeastern states. A man was arrested in West Bengal with confidential DRDO documents and a large quantity of radioactive materials. Suryadipta Projects Private Limited has launched the 8th ammunition-cum-torpedo-cum-missile barge for the Indian Navy. South Korea's KF-21 program has reached a major milestone by completing 1,000 accident-free flight sorties since its first flight in July 2022. The Armies of India and Malaysia will conduct the Harimau Shakti 2024 joint military exercise in Kuala Lumpur from tomorrow. Boeing's F-15EX is set to offer its cutting-edge capabilities with its advanced amber missile racks under the MRFA tender. The amber missile racks are capable of carrying up to 22 air-to-air missiles, allowing the aircraft to engage multiple airborne threats simultaneously. The flexibility of the amber racks does not stop at air-to-air combat, as they also offer the ability to carry a combination of small-diameter bombs and joint direct attack munitions for heavier precision deep strike missions. A retired group captain of the Indian Air Force has highlighted the potential interest of the Indian Armed Forces in acquiring or developing a weapon system like Russia's Oreshnik missile, that is known for its ability to evade enemy detection systems while delivering pinpoint strikes on critical targets. India might explore a joint venture with Russia for this purpose, and alternatively, India could pursue indigenous development with knowledge-sharing agreements. While the Airbus A400M Atlas is seen as the top contender to replace the Indian Air Force's aging fleet of IL-76 aircraft, but experts have called to consider the Japanese Kawasaki C2 aircraft, as it offers a maximum payload of 37.6 tons, matching the 37 tons of the A400M. The C2 has a range of 6,500 kilometers with a full load, compared to 4,500 kilometers of the A400M. The per-unit cost of the Kawasaki C2 is estimated to be around $140 million, making it more affordable than the $200 million A400M. The C2 has a maximum speed of 890 km per hour, as compared to A400M 780 km per hour. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.